The U.S. Supreme Court will be hearing another case this week that could affect tribal authority in Oklahoma. News on 6's Mallory Thomas is live with how this case could clarify tribal jurisdiction. Hey, Mallory.
Hey, Coop. Well, the state of Oklahoma says that the Supreme Court's ruling back in the summer of 2020 is confusing, and they're hoping that this week's hearing will clear up some of that confusion. Wednesday, the Supreme Court will hear the case of Oklahoma versus Castro Huerta. In this case, Victor Castro Huerta was convicted back in 2015 for child neglect. Castro Huerta is not a tribal member, and he was sentenced to 35 years in prison for the charges, but the victim is a tribal member, and that's how the case has now made its way in front of the Supreme Court. Sarah Hill is the Attorney General for the Cherokee Nation and says that the tribes want more options on ways of dealing with laws in Indian country.
Motor fuels tax, car tax, lots of different agreements between the state and the tribes to settle disputes that are civil in nature. So all roads in Oklahoma lead back to the state and the tribes really needing to find a forum to have discussions about how to resolve these issues.
I'm asking the governor's office for a response. I'll have more on that later this afternoon at 4. Live in Tulsa, Mallory Thomas, Oklahoma's Own News on 6.